Today we are going to show you our new fidget toys.
And so here they are. They also kind of the light up one lights up for a long time usually. So yeah, and then we have our red one, and then our blue one just like it, and the blue one has red caps like the red one, and then the red one has blue caps just like the blue one. So we're gonna show you a close look.
And then we're gonna
Same size. And then we're going to show you how to spin them. That's how the light up one does spin. Blue one. Last but not least, the red.
And one more.
One more is, it's just like a magnet kind of toy that magicians usually use. Magicians. It's pretty cool.
You could land it as well.
Yeah, you usually
like it would look
Ryan. And then we have this cool Charizard EX.
Well, that's not really a fidget toy, but
that's not really a fidget.
Just saying it, so
yeah, we have it for a while now, but we never showed you guys, and it's pretty rare. So now we are going to just be doing a few tricks by the guest.
Okay.
Named Ricky.
First trick I could do.
You want me to show you?
Finger switch. Oh, snap. It's really hard to do it, but
yeah, he might mess up a few times.
Yeah. And I think I could do this one. I can't do this one. It's like one of the hardest. And if you have big enough hands, find a loose ball and find a bearing. You could do that, and you could actually like spin and stuff. And thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Hope you liked our fidget spinners. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.